properly clean and re-oil your K&N air filter, start by removing the filter from your bike. As you can see, the old one is not red anymore. This is a clear indicator that it needs cleaning and re-oiling. In the K&N air filter servicing kit, you will get the cleaning solution and the oil. Spray the cleaner on both sides. Make sure you apply generously. Leave it for about 10 minutes. This will loosen the dirt on the air filter. After that, splash some water to the clean side of the air filter. Only use a low pressure water as there is no risk of breaking the filter element. Continue rinsing the filter until it is clear of dust and dirt. You might have to repeat the cleaning process if your K&N air filter is extremely dirty. After that, shake off the excess water from the filter and let it dry. And if you wish to speed things up, you can use a hairdryer. After the filter is completely dry, you are ready to use the K&N filter oil. I have a squeeze bottle here, but it also comes in a spray can. Apply the filter oil along the crown of each pleat until the filter is a uniform red color. Take your time with it and make sure you don't leave any spot dry. Clean off any excess oil and make sure none is dripping from the air filter. Reinstall the K&N filter back in the motorcycle and you are ready to ride. Thank you so much for watching. Another DIY from Sri.